Hey tech enthusiasts! In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to convert any 16:9 landscape video into a flawless 9:16 vertical format, perfect for shorts, reels, or TikTok, using Filmora 14. Start by opening your project in Filmora and importing the landscape video you want to transform. Then go to the top menu and click on the project settings icon. Check the aspect ratio, and if it's not set to 9:16 portrait, switch it over. This is the ideal format for vertical videos. Next, right-click your clip in the timeline and select Crop to Fit. This will automatically fill the vertical frame. From here, you can adjust the framing by panning, zooming, or repositioning the video in the preview window. Use the scale slider to zoom in or out until it looks just right. To give your video a polished touch, consider adding text, effects, or a blurred background to fill any empty space. When you're satisfied, click Export, select 1080 by 1920 resolution, and save your video. Now it's ready to share in crisp, high-quality vertical format. And that's all there is to it. You've just turned a landscape video into a vertical gem in no time. I've included a free download link for Filmora in the description, so be sure to grab it and start creating. Also, don't miss the video in the top right corner about the easy way to remove malware and viruses fast with this free tool. Catch you in the next tutorial.